guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be cooking Calabasi porridge. This one over here is Calabasi and it's very popular in Philippines here. So we want to try this recipe today as foreigners to see what it's going to give us. Then this we have curry powder for the base. We're going to be making a base we'll use for this. So we have sardine, some onions, then salt to taste, and seasoning sachet. Then I have some oil here, some vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I would recommend any oil that has a bland taste. So we have this is already blended tomato, this one right here, and this one is blended chili pepper. So guys, I hope you find this video interesting, and if you just bumped in here, I am Deborah. I'm here in the Philippines. I vlog about mostly foods, every other thing good, and lifestyle. So if you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you, and I hope you find this video interesting. So these are all we'll be using for this recipe. So guys, I will also be using some garlic and ginger. I forgot this earlier. Yeah, to give it a nice taste. I don't know if you love garlic and ginger like I do, but if you don't, just try it. You'll like it. Garlic and ginger, they are always nice in recipes. They should be in any way, because it's not all recipes that I would suggest this. But for this recipe, I will be using it. You have to wash this very well before you start peeling. Then if you're the type that loves it with the back, then means you have to do double, triple, very thorough washing. But I'm going to peel off the back anyway. the sauce ready, like the stew that we use to boil the calabasi. First, oil is already in the pan heating. I will have to add onions at this point. And the garlic and the ginger also. So we are going to allow this to cook for some seconds, say 1 minute. Then I will add the pepper and the tomato. At this point, I'm going to be adding the tomato paste I showed you guys previously. Then I'll also add the chili pepper, the blended chili pepper, and we are going to allow this to fry for like 15 minutes. And we'll be back, guys. Sit tight and watch me cook, okay? So we'll mix it properly. After mixing, we'll allow it to cook. See you later, guys. So guys, at this point it is ready because the oil is all over. This cooked for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'll add the sardine and allow it to fry a little bit together with the seasoning. Then give it a quick stir and allow it to cook for 2-3 minutes. Then we'll start the main cooking. Transfer the sauce to the calabasi that we already chopped previously, and I'm going to mix them properly before I now add the right quantity of water that will cook it. But guys, I will be turning this off camera because my pot is not allowing me. So guys, I have to turn this off camera, so it's time to add some water for it to cook. Then I will add the curry powder. This one is optional, but I'll recommend it. 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Then salt to taste. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Then give it a quick stir and allow it to cook. This should cook for about 20 minutes. Or you cook as you prefer, because some prefer this to be a bit soupy. But I'll be cooking this for some 20 minutes, guys. So see you later. So guys, I had to come by to check what we are cooking. Yeah, it looks like it's done. It's done, guys. So I'll give it a quick stir. So you see it's almost It looks porridge, or like, how do I say it? But guys, it's done. After this stirring, I am done. And I hope you try this at home and drop your comments. Thank you so much. And if you've watched up to this point, please subscribe, comment, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.